is going on, everybody? How we doing? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. Want to do a quick update for you guys, and I want to also show you one of the AI tools in this program I used, and I'm experimenting something, and I wanted to show it to you, all right? But before we get into that, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go here to www.coffeecoins.info, peruse around this page, and see what we're working with. All right, now, FTC disclaimer. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.thehba.net to earn much higher income amounts. Because it takes work, skill, and commitment, we cannot make any income claims or guarantees. All right, with that being said, let's get into it. Now, to check out our turnkey system, zero setup, okay, we're talking about a program perfect for newbies, okay? If I had something like this 12 years ago, longer than 12 years ago, right? 13 years ago, this would have been perfect. Zero setup, don't have to set up an autoresponder. The capture page is done, it's already coded to you. It's already linked to the sales page, and the owner, one of the owners of the company, is sending out 11 emails. So that's what, 11 days of email follow-ups on our behalf. Okay, this is definitely perfect for a newbie. Zero setup, and it's a turnkey system. All right, so you can go to www.residualsystem.com. www.residualsystem.com to check this thing out. All right, so let's talk about something. Let's go here. All right, so that is where my capture page is, at www.residualsystem.com. You're going to come to a page that looks like this, right? This is the page, okay? Turnkey residual income system, where 80% of every dollar comes back to you. You earn 80% commissions. There's 4 products that we have here. You earn 80% on each one of those. That's the comp plan. All right, they pay out every Thursday. So folks will come here. It's already coded to you, linked to you already in your back office. As soon as you make a purchase and log in over here, you're going to come down here. First thing you do, though, is check your email, check your spam, okay? Whatever email you signed up with for the program, they've sent you an email welcoming you. Log in, come here to the affiliate tab, okay, across the top here, affiliate. Come all the way down, not all the way, but midway, and you see right here it says your turnkey system is ready. Skip the tech, skip the setup, your capture page is live, just add traffic. So it's down here below, and we have the blur feature with this platform, which I so love. So when we're training and displaying information, sensitive information won't be viewed, okay? So now they've blurred out the everything, all right? So even the domain that was down here, your link is blurred out as I'm speaking to you. So anyway, my website, because I purchased one of the domains from this back office, is residualsystem.com. It will display right here, but your link will be here, okay, even without you buying a domain. See right here, it says your turnkey capture page. Grab and go marketing link. So you click right here, copy. That is where your link is, okay? And then everybody that enters that capture page, the leads are going to show up down here. See right here, it says show leads. All right, guys? Cool. Now, you can also, and it's optional, you don't have to, but you can come here also and purchase a domain. That's what I did, but again, you don't have to. But I'm doing some different marketing, and I wanted my domain out here and displayed. And if you do want to get a domain, you just come right here. It says Domain Scout. Click it, and they already have some names of domains, choices of domains around your name, okay? You don't have to select those. If you have something else in mind, all you have to do is come right here where it says search for a different domain. Click that search bar and type in what you're looking for. All right. Now, let's say you go ahead and pick a domain, and we're just going to pick one so I can show you how it works. So we pick a domain, click purchase. Right here, you have the option to register this domain for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years, or 5 years. You decide, right? Make your selection. Then come here, another option. You can add a professional email with this domain, and it's going to cost $14.99 for the year. If you want to do that also, just click there, okay? Up to you. All right. Then come down further. If you look right here, it says domain setup done for you. It's already done. It's already tied to your capture page, your turnkey system. It says it right here. All right. It's done. All you need to do now is just come down further where it says billing information, enter your info in there, your credit card, and make the payment. You purchase your domain. It's automatically already pointing to your page. Okay, that's what it's displaying. All right, so that's the easy peasy. It's easy peasy turnkey system. You can't get any easier than that. You absolutely have to do no setup if you select the turnkey system. Okay, 11 days of emails are going to go out on your behalf to all those leads. All right, and then after that, you can follow up with them by downloading them. Okay, you can download them to your computer here, and you can export them over or import them over into Aweber or GetResponse or whatever your system is. All right, because you want to be able to follow up them yourself at this point, because the company has done their part. All right, so now you can pick up from here. Now, what I want to show you again, what I'm doing, some results I'm getting, okay? Not a guarantee of anything. I'm just showing you what's happening with me. All right, so today I have 11 leads that came into my turnkey system. Let's take a look. Okay, and of course I'm covering up information for privacy protection, but you can see right here, right here, here's the leads that were coming in. Okay, that's the 23rd right here. Okay, so I ended up with 11 so far that have come into my turnkey system. All right, so we're making progress. Of course, we're putting the work in. So out of those 11 that I had, I'm only going to show you, I want to show you I'm using different methods. Okay. And we'll get into that further. But right here, this particular lead, I had 3 of those come through from Hercules. All right. So this is another resource that I use. Okay, Hercules. So here's one of them. And see, I put a source code on the end so I know where it came from. All right, that's one. Let's see, today it's 224. Let's check another one. Okay, there's another one. Okay, that's 2. There's another one right there. See, that's still today. Okay, and then the others that have come in, I'm running an advertising ad. Okay, and so those other 8 was from this ad that I'm running. All right, now we are making progress as usual with this because we're putting the work in. Now, what I wanted to say real quick though, hang on. For everybody that gets started with me, okay, 2 things, www.residualsystem.com. Everybody that gets started with me and you decide you want to go ahead and get all 3 products, okay, this is a bonus, all 3 products. We're getting ready to go to those 3 products, right? Let's go all the way down, look at this thing. Woo, that's what they paid out so far in commissions as of today, right now. Okay, if you decide you want to get all 3 products, guys, that's Let's Go, that's Funnel Builder, that's Premium. Okay, let's go. It's $10 a month. You earn $8 residual. Funnel Builder is $25 a month. You earn $20 residual. Premium is $125 a month. You earn $100 residual. All three, that's going to be $128 per customer you're able to earn for everybody that purchases all three. Okay, so if you decide you want to do that, and remember, you can sign up today for $35, and you're going to get the 2 weeks of premium. So you're not even going to pay $125 today. You're only going to pay $35 2 weeks from now. If you decide to keep the premium, then you would pay your $125. Guys, it's split up. Okay, so you're not going to have to pay $125 plus $35 every month together. It's split because they give you 2 weeks to try the premium before they even bill you for it. But if you decide, hey, I think I'm going to go ahead and go for all three. I'm going to get triple package. I'm going to, that ad that I'm running for myself right now, as you see I'm getting results, I will run that ad for you as well. That's for my all-in the three products, the three residuals. Okay. Then also, and this one's for everybody that gets started, I have a AI tool that I'm using. They have a free membership subscription, then they have a paid. All right. I'm going to give everybody access to that. Okay. Because let me show you what's happening. It's not in competition with our system over here, our AI tools over here at all. Okay. Because our premium tools over here is the PromptWrite AI, the image creator, and the smart post. Now, I've been experimenting, so I'm now moving on to the next thing I want to talk about is the tools. Okay. I use the PromptWrite AI or the image creator or both pretty much every day. Those are my go-tos. Okay. So what I've been doing is experimenting with the PromptWrite AI on something that I am doing. Okay. That I've been trying to create. So let me show you this. Hang on. I came over here today to the PromptWrite AI. Okay. Because I wanted to create a 8-second video. Okay, so I came over here to get the prompt because we don't have the video creator over here, right? But I'm using the PromptWrite AI to give me the prompt for this video that I want to create. So I took that prompt into that tool that I'm talking about. I'll share with you guys, and this is what I came up with. Check it out. So is that cool or what? Okay, I'm just getting started, but I'm playing around with it. So anyway, just wanted you guys to see that these tools are amazing. This program is amazing. The whole Turnkey system is amazing. The platform is amazing. I've shown you some results I'm getting. I've been showing you guys that anyway, but as of today, I was doing something different. So wanted you to see my ad is working, leads are coming in, different resources I'm using is also working. Then we're using these tools to be a little bit more creative as well. All right, so again, go here, go to www.residualsystem.com. okay, we'll put the link in the description. Come here, opt in. You're going to come to this page right here. Pick a product, right? Of course, you can get started for just $10, okay? And you can always add additional products as you go along. But I'm just talking about the bonus that I'm going to add, okay, to the folks that's really serious about building this residual business here. All three products. And I'm going to run that same ad that I'm using, okay, for you. In addition to you get access to this tool. Even if you signed up today and just did the $10, I'm going to give you access to the tool. But you need prompts, right? You need prompts. And the prompts are over here. So why not go ahead and sign up and get the free 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks. Let's go down here. Let me show you. You're going to get 2 free weeks. So let's say you decide, okay, let me go ahead and do the $35 deal, right? Let me come down here. Where am I? I think I passed it. The premium. But I want to show you, here it is. Triple residual starter pack, $35. And it tells you in here what's included. And then right here it says 2-week free premium trial. Okay, so it will cost you $0. Let's see if we clicked it right here, start for $35. Let me just show you how it will look when you get ready to check out. See right here? It says $0. The HBA premium, $100 residuals. That's what you'll earn if someone signs up with you, right? Even on the trial. See, 14 days free. They specify that. So with the $35 today, you're getting less gold. It's $10, and you get the HBA funnel builder. It's $25. So those two is the $35, $0 for the premium. But right here, they let you know, because they're not trying to hide anything. They're letting you know as a reminder, even right here, starting in 2 weeks, $125, you'll be charged. Okay? And if you decide you don't want it in 2 weeks, okay, you can send a email to support, and they will cancel it. No worries. All right, guys? But that's my special deal. All right? But this, if you want to maximize this in general, all 3 products would be the way to go, because it's $128 per customer. All right? It's $125 a month. You get all 3 of those products. Go back up here. This page breaks down everything. So just go to residualsystem.com and come to this page. All right. So $128 per customer will maximize the comp plan, because you earn 80% commissions on each product. These are sold separately, by the way. Okay. That's why you're able just to come in here if you want to just get 1. If you want to get 2, you can do that separately. You get paid 80% commissions on each product. All right. That's it, guys. All right. Do me a favor before you get out of here. Don't forget to like the video, please, and thank you. And don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.